Hello DIYers, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday to you guys. So today I want to share with you a very quick and easy DIY. I have two sets of these metal wreath rings from the Dollar Tree. They come in sets of two, so I have a total of 4. I did take them outside and I painted them gold with some Rustoleum Spray. And I also will be using these clear acrylic ice gems from efavormart. I will leave a link to efavormart down in the description box. It is an affiliate link, and there will also be a discount code that you can use if you go over there and purchase. Now you can also buy those same acrylics from the Dollar Tree. Honestly, they're not the exact same. The clarity and clearness is more like glass from the ones from efavormart. So if you're looking for a high impact shine like glass light, then I do recommend those over the Dollar Tree ones, but I'm gonna let you guys decide which you prefer. I'm also going to take 4 of these mirrored candle holders here from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use some hot glue and permanent glue and secure them down to the middle of the wreath ring. And I'm going to use hot glue. I was using permanent glue, but it didn't work out well for me, so I do suggest you can use the hot glue to secure these acrylic gems down to the wreath ring. And I'm just going to fill the entire outer and then the inner portions of the wreath using some hot glue and these acrylic gems. I found it much easier when placing these gems by trying to decide a flatter surface to where contact would touch the metal. They seem to hold a lot better, and I also figured out a easier way to apply. So when I was doing the rest of them after I did the first DIY, I decided to go ahead and pre-place my gems down and then go back and glue them down one by one. This way I didn't have to guess about whether or not I would have enough space, and I made less mistakes because they were already positioned in the way that I needed them to be, as far as the surface in the area that it would touch being a little bit flat. So you guys, I do recommend using this method first by pre-placing down your gems, opposed to just doing the one by one from scratch, if that makes sense. So that is what you see me doing here with my second ring. So after I completed the row, I added the mirror and I flipped it on the back to secure it even more by adding extra glue across where the glue touched and across the bar that it was touching on. This provided more security. Then I went in and I began to glue down my second layer with the acrylic gems. Now this part is slightly tricky. I decided to just let contact hit on one level, and I had to kind of pre-position them as well because some of them would fall through. So yeah, this side was a little bit tricky, but however, it did work out well. So that's pretty much what I did to complete this DIY, you guys. Now you can use less gems if you choose to, but I like mine just like this. And I only did 2 like this, and for the other 2, I only added a mirror and I left no gems for them, and this is the reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. This is just inspiration. You guys can build off of this DIY and create something fabulous. Let your imagination soar. There are so many things that you can do with these cute little metal wreath rings. These are the mini ones. You can also use the bigger ones and alternate the sizes as well. That is definitely another option. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, thank you for joining. If you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and click it now. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.